If you think okra is slimy and disgusting, then this recipe is going to change your mind. Just following a few basic and easy steps, you can turn this vegetable into a super delicious one. Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Bumbi. The very first tip is to wash the okra before cutting them. If you first cut and then wash it, it will be a slime project for you, which we are not aiming for today. Chop the okras into small pieces. Now I have no idea why people choose to cut off the ends. I keep them unless I find any discoloration on them like this one. Next, coming to the potatoes, I always wash the potatoes after cutting them to get rid of all that excess starch. Then I pat them dry before adding to the pan to get that browning. Pan on medium-high heat. Oil. When the oil turns hot, lower the heat to medium and add black mustard seeds. Then cumin seeds. If your seeds are not splattering, just roast them for a few seconds and then add the potatoes. Fry the potatoes on medium-high heat till you see them getting brown along the edges. See, this is how they should look like. At this point, lower the heat to low and add turmeric powder, that is haldi, along with red chili powder. I am using Kashmiri red chili powder as it is mild in terms of heat level, but it has this vibrant red color. Stir for about 3 to 4 seconds on very low heat, not more than that, as the chili powder may burn. Then immediately add the okra. Now increase the heat of your stove to high and fry the okras. Okay guys, I know you can see that slime now, but just be patient and stir the okras on a fairly high heat. Guys, please smash that like button for me and help this video to reach more people. It's all that encouragement I need from you in order to continue on this platform. So if you are watching, please do leave a comment and thanks so much to all my regular commenters. Okay, after a few minutes, you will start to see that slime reducing. See now? Can you make out any slime? I probably have to bring a magnifying lens to figure it out. That high heat does all the trick, and I don't know if you have observed that I haven't added any salt yet. That is another tip that you need to keep in your mind. Once you see all that slime gone, you can add salt, not before that. So I will be adding salt now, since my okras have lost all their slime. Then ground cumin and ground coriander. Stir one more time and now you can cover on medium heat for about 3 to 4 minutes. 3 to 4 minutes done, lift off. Now add onions, which I have cut into large slices. Again cover on medium heat for 3 minutes. 3 minutes done. My potatoes have become tender and so have the okras. Do not wait for the okras to fall apart. If the potatoes are done, then the okras have definitely become tender. So remember to chop your potatoes small like this. At the end, I love adding freshly ground black pepper and a sprinkle of lemon juice. This, along with a bowl of rice or roti, is all I need. You can even have it with a toasted bread. And where has all that slime gone? You can zoom in, zoom out, change your glasses. Try your best to I spy slime, but you won't be successful, I know that. Once again, please smash that like button if you've enjoyed watching this video, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.